electronic equipment and take good care of your children. Okay, everyone look to your left hand side now. After joking, nothing there, nothing there. Look to your right hand side. Right hand side is our Tyson tree. How come you guys need to yet? Not yet. If you're not good at it yet, you can take the route to go open the door. Lots of there are lots of cocoa there under the tree house. Let's get ready and say hello to my friend in the other side. Hello. Okay, let's get ready to say hello to my friend on your right hand side now. Hi. Okay, let me introduce this paper. This paper has all that miles, but don't worry, I have a short session to go through, okay? Abba, hello, who is waiting for them? Isn't it so cute? This is our mother elephant and a baby elephant. The mother elephant is teaching the baby elephant how to use her trunk to play with the water. But don't worry, guys, we don't spread so far away because you're still a baby. But overhead is hard to tell because overhead we have our naughtiest elephant is the brother elephant. Careful, guys. People on the right hand side, you might get wet, okay? Okay, overhead we have our famous elephant is the father elephant. Careful, guys. You already lean on that. People on the left hand side, please be careful. Otherwise, you really might get wet. Careful, it's coming up again. It's coming up again. People in the back, be careful. I'm just joking. I already ran out of water. I'm just joking. Overhead we have our oldest temple. In the temple, we have something called the spider on the left hand side. We have three different spider on the left hand side. People on the right hand side, if you cannot see the spider, you can see one now because it's a closer. Overhead, this is our elephant guard and the king's covers, which is the protector of the elephant dogs. If you don't see the king's covers clearly, you can see one on the left hand side now. Careful, it's the dangerous spider on us. Okay, overhead, we are entering some danger places, places full of crocodiles. Do not wake them up or put your hand outside because we call them crocodile, but they call us lunch or dinner. Okay, do not wake them up. I don't want to eat them by the crocodiles on the left hand side. Okay, overhead we are visiting Tyson friend Professor Potter and James campus, but I think they have lots of other facts against here. It's the Gloria here. Careful, guys. I think they are. Okay, overhead, welcome to the world famous Africa, guys. Welcome to Africa. We have zebra, giraffe, and elephant. Do you guys know the difference between female and male zebras? No. Let me tell you, the female are white color with black stripe, and the male are black color with white stripe. I'm just joking. It's the same. Always joking. On the left hand side, elephant. The right hand side, the Venus elephant. Careful, guys. It's the Venus elephant. Overhead, we are entering to the hippo pool. The hippo has 6,000 pounds and after they just wrecked 6 of my bones now. I think they are going to bite my bone off. Careful, guys. People on the left hand side, please be careful. You guys are really brave. The last guess I have there, they ran out my bone and they saw the hippo. So you guys are really brave. Okay, guys, we have to keep quiet and take good care of your head, okay? Because you saw those skulls. We are entering to the headhunter territories. Take good care of your head, promise me, okay? Uh-oh. Careful, guys, your head. Your head stay here, right? Stay here. Okay, I'm so happy to report to you guys. Overhead is our dog now. We are going back to the dog now. Nothing can stop us from going back. Time flies so fast. We already finished 5 exciting. Whoa, what is that? Hold on, guys, hold on. This camera is protected by the fire gun and the water gun. But I think the fire gun is bad enough now because we are entering to his places. I'm so sorry, fire gun. Don't be mad at us. Don't be mad at us. Whoa. I'm so sorry. okay?
Ayun oh.
Okay, wait for a second and we can go now. Okay, let me ask you guys one last question. Do you guys enjoy the trip?
Yeah!
Yes, if you enjoy,
Bye,
please
baby
remember my name is
elephant.
Kiana, okay? If you don't enjoy, just remember my name is Mary, okay? When you exit my boat, you can use the middle door or the door in the back too.
Icon, man, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.